Did you know that AI can create a blog for you with just uploading one picture? Let me show you how I do it with AI Studio with Google. So the first thing that we're going to do is we go to aistudio.google.com. On a sidebar, there is a prompt gallery that you can browse a lot of prompts here. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll see there's a math tutor here, unit testing, and even recipe creator, hurricane charting, and there's a lot of things that we can do. But for today, we're gonna explore blog post creator. Now, let's upload our own picture and generate it to blog post creator. What I have here is junk food versus healthy food, and I want AI Studio to create a blog post about this one comparing junk food and healthy food. So let's run this and let's see what will AI Studio will do. So here we have junk food versus healthy food, a choice for your heart. As easy as that, you have a blog post that you can post on your website, on your social media accounts, and that's it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any thoughts about this video, just comment down below and we'll come back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.